Hello, sports fans, Lego fanatics, and Fonzie lovers of all. Hi, hi, hi. It's me, I'm back again. It's Mr. Fonzie. Yeah, letters A. I'm back. I'm back, internet. I'm back. Today we're back with a little quick build for you. Nothing drawn out here. This is a fantastic little model. It's Lego Technics 42116. Picked this up today for £7. And I think it looks quite interesting actually. It's not your simple run-of-the-mill, here's something I've slapped together, it's tiny, it doesn't really do anything. This, still given its size, has functions. Oh, it does. Oh, it does. Looking forward to this. Anyway, what we do is crack on with this. It should take about 20 minutes. And yeah, let's have a chat while we're doing it. So, let us begin. So, big bracket, short pin, black L shape, two long blue pins. We've got a short blue pin in there holding it all together. Then we need that one. White L shape with your two long blue pins. Slot them in there so it looks like that. Alright. Then you want the computer readout thing. Your little gauges. That's kind of cool. Once you've done that, you want your seat. Pop that on there. Push that over like that. Yes, I've put this together a few times. Can't you tell? Your L shape. Use that to knock that all together. Like so. That goes on like that. Ta-da, da, 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 da. But yes, that has to go back over there like that. Sorry. So get another L shape, black long spline through the spline hub, and your long blue piece there. Push that in there like that. Then we have to make this piece, which is a bit convoluted. Pop that off for now. Don't need that on there right now. A bit convoluted. Got brown 4-piece in there through the cog into the extender, and you've got your twin-ended 4-pin through piece light grey there. Quickly bosh that together. Bosh it together. We're gonna go smash your heads together. It goes on the top like so. Now you ask, why did it have that attached to it, Matt? Well, it's there because it needs to be there to remind me that it needs to go on there. If that makes sense. Anyway, that goes on there like that. Ta-da! Oh, got a bit lost there. I've got 2 trays out now, so I'm a bit lost. So bear with me. I must admit to being heavily medicated today. That chest infection, I thought it was a chest infection. The doctors thought it was a chest infection. It's not a chest infection. It turns out I have a blood clot on my lung. So at the moment, I'm in an argument with the hospital whether or not I should go and have it sorted out. Yes. Yeah, black spline and little piece. That's just there. Apparently that goes through there. I disagree with them there on that one. So I'm going to put it underneath. Hopefully it holds with my big monkey hands. I've got large bloody hands. Not very useful for Lego, but hey, there we go. And there it goes, buggering up. Get in! There we go. Right, so that's all attached thusly. And now we want the wheel to sit on the top. Because ha ha ha. Now we want this piece there to go onto there. Please, I do not know why I'm talking like that, so please don't ask me. So, we want this piece, which, if I'm reading these plans correctly, connects that lot together like that, which kind of mirrors the other side. Come with the little lights, little things. These are so sweet, them little lights. This little thing is so small, bless it. It's got no lighting kit, so I can't add it to my collection of lit models, of which it's getting quite large now. I'm going to be doing a video soon on how I've wired up all my Lego models into one unit. So press one button, the whole lot turns on. I'm going to wire it all up to an RF unit, get a little remote, go click, everything lights up. That'll make life a lot. Right, those trays done. Nudge my microphone onto the next tray. We need to turn you round, don't we? Look at it that way. Then this piece goes in there. There we go. Now we put piece 22, which I believe it's that one. It is. As always, the numbers are printed on the inside of the bin there. Brilliant little model, this. Brilliant little model. I happen to think it looks great. Pop that in there like that. That goes like that. You can't grumble for £7. It's quite. It actually functions. It actually got functional parts on it, so that's one of the main reasons of why I decided I really want to get it, because I like the way it looks. That pops through there. Like so. Right. Then we take this piece with the handle, pop it through there. As it's going through there, it intersects with this cog. Now the trick now is to get the spline to go through the cog. There we go. Hey, we've done it. Not too shabby. Right. That's through there like so. This, in theory, should turn. Ah, there it does, see? That works. Little testing page there, like, does this work? Yes, it does. Carry on. Thank you, I will. Look, you can see I've got bits and pieces attached to it so they don't get lost in there. Take these bits off for now because they don't need to be on there right now. Just attach them on later on. Right, so that goes on there like that. And then that piece goes on there like so. No, it doesn't. That piece goes on first. Doing it again, I'm skipping a page. Big hands don't make good Lego. So that goes there like that. Right. Like I said, it's got functions. This is going to be the lift arm. Next we need this. Ta-da! Little piece. And that pops onto... Let's say it pops onto Nya, but it doesn't pop onto Nya. Nya, it's the bloody wrong way around. Oh, can't you tell it's very early in the morning? Yes, it's about 4 AM when I'm recording this. Yes, I do sleep, eventually. Just sleep is not my friend. Not when I'm this ill, it's not at the moment anyway. But that's less about me, because, well, we want to worry about me. I should, don't. Right, so that lines up like that. Ta-da! Then, this little black piece to go on that red spline onto that blue half. There we go. Small blue half pin there. Then we need piece 21, which is this. Again, build instructions are here, but they're a bit small, so what I'll do is I'll put the instructions in the descriptions of the video, so you can have a bit of a gander and see what you think to it. I'll put a link in the description of where to buy this from, if you want to go and get it. I really would recommend it for anyone, even if you're not really into Lego. It's a little something, it's cheap and cheerful. Give you a little something to do for probably for an hour. But yeah, right. Next tub done. On to the next one. Little yellow 3 spline with a little round little cog, which kind of moves the arm, which is cool. And then we want to make a little shoulder bracket. It's Blackhurst Nirvana. Hashtag life goals when your bracket has a bracket. So these hoops here hook onto the pins down the bottom there. Go. Again, the seat's still forward. We get this bit. Again, a yellow 3 spline with a little black cog. And that then just the lift arms. And then we need to make the beginnings of the frame, which is these. They're not quite complex. It's just a combination of a 4 spline into spline cups, and then pushing hooks or hoops or cups, whatever you want to call them, into there. Push the seat back, then push that little light thing onto there. Yeah. Then we want a black extender with 2 small blue pins, and then push that into there so it meets up like that. Ta-da! And again, same thing, opposite side, little light on top. I will have to get a little lighting set for this, or if I can't find one, I'll have to make one. Which I think could be a fun little idea, fun little project. Again, we skipped ahead with the little bit of a build there. Now we're onto the wheels. Now these little things, reminiscent to me of old Lego wheels of years gone past. Little red wheels. Used to have, they were bigger, used to have studs on them. You could attach things to them. Now we'll pop the wheels on. Hey. And then we'll push the rear wheels. These are tanned spline pins. They pop on there like so. Just literally pop into the chassis like that. There you go. Wheels along. Simple, simple, simples. There we go. These are the two thin L brackets. Obviously, spline cups through there, and then you get your bucket. Push that on there like so, and she is done. I give you Lego model 42116. Nice, little, quick, simple Lego. Next one, I actually have ordered that one. I've got that one and another surprise one coming very soon. So we're going to do some more of these little Lego episodes. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. Hope you found it fun. Thought it was a quick little Lego model to do tonight before I start work on the 42114, which I'm looking at right now, which is massive. Yes, that will be coming very soon. One quick thing, swap out with that one. This one, now, there's going to be a video going live in a couple of days for this one, where we're going to put the rest of the studs in. I'm just waiting for a delivery of more studs. Once we've done that, the studs will be going in. There's 250 there. There's another 450 should be in the post to me today. Hopefully they'll get here today and I can put this together. So then the bottle's going to come apart. Ship's coming out. Lights are going in. We've got the lighting now turned up. The rest of the studs are going to go in. I'm going to jazz it all up. So that's another one to be revisited in the next few days. So I hope everyone's enjoyed this. Hope you enjoyed watching. Have fun. Look after yourselves. And as always, I am Mr. FONZIE. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. As always, look after yourselves. Let us Bye. Bye, folks. Have fun. Ta-da.